everyone, we're going to write a polynomial of least degree with integral coefficients that has the given roots. And so basically based off our complex conjugate theorem, if we have 1 plus 2i, then we also have 1 minus 2i. If we have 1 minus I, then we also have 1 plus I. So we actually have our 4 roots here, and we're just going to form a polynomial by making them into factors and multiplying them through. So I'm going to do this one first. So we have 1 minus 2i as well. So as a factor, this would be 1x minus 1 plus 2i times x minus 1 minus 2i. All right, I'm going to distribute this negative here and get rid of those parentheses. X minus 1 minus 2i times x minus 1 plus 2i. I'm using the associative property of arithmetic, and basically what I'm doing is I'm moving these parentheses around. Now what we have is we have this form of a minus bi times a plus bi, and that equals a squared plus b squared. So now in our case, our a is x minus 1, and our b equals 2. So I'm just going to use this formula, and that's going to be x minus 1 squared plus 2 squared. This gives me x minus 2x plus 1 plus 4. Simplifying, whoops, there's a square, x squared minus 2x plus 5. All right, now that I have this one, I'm going to do the second set, and that one's going to be x minus, and again, we have 1 minus I, 1 plus I. So it's going to be x minus 1 minus I times x minus 1 plus I. Get rid of the parentheses first. We're going to distribute the negative. X minus 1 plus I times x minus 1 minus I. Okay, so I'm moving these parentheses around, and I have the same situation. And in this case, the a is still x minus 1, and our b equals 1. There's a 1 in front, so b equals 1. So we do the same thing. We use this formula here. So that's going to be x minus 1 squared plus 1 squared. This gives me x squared minus 2x plus 1, just like we got here, but this one's plus 1. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 2. Now what we're going to do is take these two and multiply them together. And that's a bit of the tedious part. So let's do that. We have x squared minus 2x plus 5. And the other one was x squared minus 2x plus 2. All right, then we just have to do a lot of multiplying. So multiply x squared times all of this. So just multiplying each term by x squared. That's going to give you x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared. Now take this second term and multiply that term to all 3 of these. And that's going to give you negative 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 4x. And finally, we're going to multiply 5 times each one of those terms. That's going to be plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 10. All we're left to do now is to add like terms. So we have x to the fourth. Get rid of that. The cubes, we have 2 of these. So that's going to be minus 4x cubed. The x squares, we have 2x squared plus 4x squared. Let's see. 6x squared plus 5x squared. That's going to be 11x squared. So I took care of those, the x squares. Now we have negative 4x minus 10x is negative 14x. That took care of those. And we still have our constant plus 10. And that is your polynomial. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.